Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV Note 12, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. One of those should be a screen recorder. Now, if it's not on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages, which for me, that's where the toggle is located, on the second page right over here. Now it is cutting out the name. It says screen reg, so just know that this is basically it. So to get started, just simply tap on it. It will then bring up a couple options to record audio. By default, it's turned off, so if you want to record any kind of audio, you'll need to actually toggle it on. And then on the drop down, you do have the option to record a device audio, microphone, or both. Which for both, I recommend using some kind of headphones or something like that. Otherwise, it might record kind of like an echo from the speakers back to the microphone, so you wouldn't want that. Anyway, next is the show touches on the screen. So I'm going to enable this just so you can see how that looks like. And let's select start to begin the recording. It will begin a 3-second countdown. And then with this loud obnoxious noise actually indicate that it's now recording. So whatever you'll do right now obviously is going to be recorded by the device. Now I'm looking for one specific application in here just so I can showcase something, but it doesn't exist. So I guess I'm not going to be showing it. So in any case, you can open up most applications and they will be recorded. And just to kind of prove that, I'm going to open up something like a dialer. So there we go. And once you're done recording, pull down your notifications once more and select stop. And that's basically it. Now to watch that screen recording, let's open up our Photos application. You might need to navigate to the library, in which you will find movies. And as you can see under movies, we have our screen recorder. So that's the one that I have captured. Right? Yep. So let's press play. And while it's playing, I'm going to quickly mention what I started talking about, which is most applications can be recorded, not every. So there are applications that will have the ability to block screen recorders, and you have zero control over that because, you know, nothing says it's your device like not having control over it, right? And just to kind of give you an idea what kind of applications will do this. So for the most part, any kind of applications that have some kind of security reasons, so bank applications would be a front runner for this, and that is an acceptable kind of thing to have. You wouldn't want some kind of malware to basically spy on your bank app and see what kind of PIN you're using to unlock it. But where it does start to fall apart and be an absolute massive middle finger from a corpo to you is for instance from applications like Netflix, which also can do that. And like I said, just know you have zero control over that. There's nothing you can do apart from maybe rooting your device, but at that point you're kind of losing access to the point of that actually matters, which is, for instance, bank application. You can't use those anymore when the device is rooted for the most part. So yeah, just wanted to mention that. But in any case, this is how you could record your screen on this device and also some problems that you might encounter. And hopefully you found this video helpful and informative. And if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.